What's up guys? So basically these are a bunch of YouTube channel niches, and in today's video we are going to be looking at how much YouTube pays for having a million views on them. And it's going to surprise you, as having a million views on this particular niche only generates just only $900.
How much money did I make for 1,008,691 views in September? $929.79.
While on this other niche, that same 1 million views generates $12,000, bro. $12,000 and $900. Life is so unfair, bro. What the fuck? Alright, so kicking off with the channel that generates the least amount of money for a million views.
What's up, YouTube? This is Joel from Dream VR, and I run a children's channel. In September, I got 1 million views. Do you want to know how much money I made? And now, time for the big reveal. How much money did I make for 1,008,691 views in September? $929.79.
Bro, 1 million views on a kids channel niche, bro, is equivalent to $929, bro. So the next channel on our niche goes to the gaming channel, and let's see how much they generate.
McDizzle Gaming coming at you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you're doing well today. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how much a small gaming channel makes. In this case, mine. Let's take a look at some revenue numbers. We have January up here, which was actually the best month here at McDizzle Gaming.
Alright, so actually here, I don't see 1 million views on the channel. I'm only seeing $164.84 and 2.97 RPM. So that is how much YouTube pays him for having 1,000 views. So since I'm not seeing the particular 1 million views, there's a way that I can be able to calculate from this RPM of $2.97. So the best person will go to ChatGPT. With an RPM of $2.97 for 1,000 views, how much with 1 million views equates? So with much calculation, it generates equivalent to $2,970. So with 1 million views on a gaming channel, the equivalent amount there will be $2,970. Okay, so let's see the third on our list.
So you clicked on this video because you want to know how much we earn from 1 million YouTube views. There, it's $3,200.
1 million views on educational content is equivalent to $3,231. Let's see the fourth on our list.
Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you exactly how much YouTube paid me for my first 1 million views on this platform in the personal finance niche, which happens to be one of the higher paying niches. Camera in a room by myself here. So
1 million views on the personal finance niche equates $12,303. So this is what the video is all about. From this, you should be able to know the niche that you'll be more interested in, as the bottom line of every creator is to get monetized, not to put all those whole effort and at the end of the day not having anything to show for it. So hope you find the value on this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe, and until next time.